Let's turn to the weather now, and that weather is going to be turning a lot warmer. First Alert Weather Chief Meteorologist Derek Beasley joining us now with a look at your forecast and what you need to know.
Well, Rick, you probably, if you stepped outside in the last hour, you can tell how humid it's getting outside. That's kind of a precursor of what we're going to be dealing with here over the next several days as the heat humidity continue to build across our region after several days of below average temperatures across our region. I want to turn your attention to First Alert Doppler radar. We've been tracking these storms ever since they were in western Maryland. They're getting a little bit closer to our area now. Not severe, but producing downpours and lots of lightning, extending from really Pretty Boy Reservoir all the way down towards southern Carroll County. And these extend even farther towards the southwest of Damascus here in far southern parts of Frederick County. It's going to be moving into western Montgomery out towards, looks like, Mount Airy. Eventually going to be making its way eastward, perhaps as far east as Columbia, maybe, as we get towards the midnight hour, maybe a little bit after that. Temps are very mild, though, low to mid-70s across the area. When you wake up tomorrow morning, we're going to start off with some fog, temps in the low 70s. And then rising to around 90 here for tomorrow afternoon. Next couple of afternoons, we have a threat for severe weather. We're going to talk about that, plus dangerous heat on the way for next week. That's in your First Alert forecast coming up in just a few minutes. Rick, back to you.
Chief Meteorologist Derek Beasley. Now, Derek, it's been gray, gloomy, rainy. It's all going to be changing, though, in a couple of days.
Yeah, we're going to see a real kind of a 180, if you will, a real flip back the other direction here. So it's going to start feeling like summer. We also have some storm chances to talk about as well. So kind of a lot to talk about here in the weather department.
You're not busy.
That's an understatement. Let's get right to your forecast right now. We're looking at here for the next couple of days, much warmer and more humid conditions. Now, we're going to see a couple of rounds of storms. We'll see a few tomorrow afternoon, but Thursday is the day that's going to have the most substantial chance for severe weather across our area as a cold front pushes through the region. We'll get a brief cool down with lower humidity on Friday. Then it's going to heat right back up for the weekend. And the most dangerous heat of the entire episode is going to be Monday through Wednesday of next week. In particular, Tuesday, where we expect the temperatures to be the hottest across our area. These are falling apart as they move into Baltimore County, but still some pretty decent downpours here west of 83 all the way down to I-70 and extending into far western Howard and parts of northwestern Montgomery County there. But you see there are some lightning strikes, particularly on the back end of this. So the rain will come through. It'll last for about 20 minutes or so, and you're still going to get these really loud rumbles of thunder out towards Tawnytown, Westminster, well after the rain has started. And so don't be surprised at that. Looks like it's coming right down 795 now, so heading out towards Owings Mills, eventually Randallstown, Reisterstown getting a downpour, southern Carroll, far western parts of Howard County at the present time. So it extends through Mount Airy and all the way down to areas just west of Damascus. Again, all of that gradually pushing off to the east. Temps, though, ranging anywhere from 69 in Elkton, but everybody else, though, running primarily into the mid to upper 70s, and that southerly wind's really going to keep us warm and humid overnight tonight. Temps probably not going to drop much more than the low 70s here overnight tonight. There is going to be a chance for some dense fog in the morning, so keep that in mind for your morning commute as this warm front continues to make its way through the region. All the real warm and humid air is on the south side of this front, so all the air there that we're going to be dealing with is going to be pushing northward over the next several days. Again, tomorrow's risk for severe weather in the green. It's a low-wind threat for some strong storms that could produce some wind damage as well as some small hail, of course, torrential rainfall. The greater threat for severe weather, though, comes Thursday, level 2 of 5, damaging wind gusts, hail, torrential rainfall, frequent lightning with any of the storms that do happen to occur on Thursday afternoon ahead of that cold front. Futurecast shows the storms developing tomorrow afternoon as early as 2 or 3 o'clock through the evening rush hour and then moving out by tomorrow evening. We start Thursday off dry, sunshine, temperatures crank up into the low to mid 90s during the afternoon, and storms will develop along the cold front as it pushes through, and that's where we could see that threat for some severe weather there. Then high pressure in the upper atmosphere really starts to strengthen, and it's going to sit over our area through the early part of next week, and that's where we're going to see those temperatures really crank up here across the area. Again, the alert day for your Thursday is going to be mainly for that threat for severe weather during the afternoon and evening, wind, hail, heavy rainfall. It looks like between 3 and 11 o'clock. Then, of course, we've got AFRAM this weekend. Temperatures are going to be hot, low 90s coming up on Saturday, mid 90s on Sunday with a heat index near 100. And then look at the temperatures Monday and Tuesday, 99 on Monday, 101 on Tuesday. The heat index likely approaching 110 coming up on Tuesday afternoon. That'll likely last through at least Wednesday. Back to you, Alex. All right, looks like a cloudy, foggy, and very warm start to the day. Low to mid-70s. We're on track to reach around 90 tomorrow afternoon. You'll need the umbrella for some late-day storms, too. Change the color of the shirt there.
I like the orange.
There you go. 90 degrees are expected high, and then We only get warmer here on Thursday.
Do I need pants or shorts, though, if it's going to be wet? That's always...
Listen, shorts for the next week at least.
Yeah, at least that. Yeah. Well, you can wear pants if you want.
My ankles are getting wet. I don't know.
I like the orange shirt.
Yeah,
Complements
yeah,
the
I
sun
had
and
to
the heat
change
that
it.
we're going to be seeing.
Absolutely.